welcome back to another video of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download Twitter on your Android phone. Keep watching the video till the end to figure it out. Hit the bell icon so that you never miss any update from us. So let's get started. Firstly, open up your Play Store app. Once the main tab is open, click on the search bar on the top of the screen and then write in Twitter. Once you're done writing, click on the search button which is on the right hand side of the keyboard. In this space, click on the Twitter icon and then this tab should open up. Now click on the install button and now all you have to do is wait. The downloading process has now started and once the percentage hits 100, the app will be successfully downloaded on your phone. And once the open button turns green, click on it and it will directly take you to the app. As you can see, the app is now successfully downloaded and is now ready to be used. That's how it's done. I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment for any kind of questions and feedbacks. We will soon be back with more videos. Stay connected and goodbye till then.